welcome back for another review. Today we're going to just jump right into this review. I think we got something special here. Oh, look at that. It's an auto heater fan, 12 volt. See what we got inside. Little cup fan. Got a suction cup to put it on your window. I took the liberty of earlier wired in an XT60 connector, and I'll show you why coming up. Now with the 18650 connector in the center of the cord, we just unplug it like that, and now we can plug it into this, a 12 volt buck converter. Plug in my battery, and we can run it outside the car. It's got two modes, heat and fan. Fan's high powered, then the fan turns down for the heat, and it's running about 95 watts even though it says it's 150. How much heat is that putting out? Oh, it's not much, maybe just a hand warmer. It'd be hard to light a fire with this much heat. Could put my hand right on top of it. Let's see if that suction cup works. Yep, there it is, standing up. That's pretty sturdy. Now I can put it in a tent, or run it from this battery and not have to use the car battery. Well, that's pretty neat. I give it a thumbs up.